Techno update. Subscribe now.
Oppo A83 hands-on. If we see, the box or packaging of Oppo A83 is exactly like other Oppo smartphones. The color is essentially white, there is a picture and type of smartphone in front, plus highlight superior specs in the back. When opened, the content inside is also the same as usual. At the top there is his smartphone, then there are SIM ejector, manual book, there is a transparent mica casing, charger, data cable, and last earphone. Now we continue to discuss his smartphone. The unit we have is a gold color variant. When we first grasp, we feel the weight is not too heavy. One of the causes because of the material body made of plastic. But if we see, successful Oppo make this body looks like metal. The finishing was so neat it did not look plastic. In the rear body is also impressed plain, there is only Oppo logo and one camera module. Back to front, Oppo A83 has a 5.7-inch HD Plus screen with 18:9 ratio, just like F5. Also already mounted anti-gores. In the forehead there is a front camera equipped with AI beautification. While on his chin plain without buttons. Oppo is very confident replace the fingerprint sensor with face unlock. Out of curiosity, we finally had a test of speed and accuracy. And it was very fast and accurate. As far as we tried, his face unlock was almost perfect for outdoor use. But for indoor use, especially DiC minimal light, we will conduct further testing later. Problem interface or port. Oppo A83 has 2 SIM slots and 1 dedicated microSD slot on the right side. At the bottom there is a mono speaker grill, microSD port, and audio jack. We will get the core spec that looks like F5. Namely Helio P23 chipset 2.5 GHz and GPU Mali G71. For the capacity of RAM, storage, and battery each 3 GB, 32 GB, and 3.180 mAh. As for the camera sector is certainly below the F5, the front camera 8MP f2.2 complete with AI beautification and main camera 13MP f2.2. Oppo wrapped this new smartphone with a bandage color OS 3.2 based on Android 7.1. Some excellent features that exist in Oppo F5 was also available on the A83. Such as game acceleration feature and option to change navigation system. We can either want to use 3 on-screen button as usual or use gesture system rather like iPhone X.